Need to record a Google Meet session. Whether you're the meeting host or a participant with recording permission, Google Meet makes it easy to capture meetings for later review. In this guide, I'll show you how to record a Google Meet as both a host and a participant in 2026. First, make sure recording is available for your account. The built-in recording feature is only available on eligible Google Workspace plans, and your organization may also control whether recording is allowed. If you're the meeting host or have recording permission, click the More Options menu, then choose Record Meeting. Review the notification, then confirm to begin recording. If you're a participant without recording permission, you won't see the built-in recording option. If you need a recording, ask the meeting host to start one or request permission if your organization allows it. Once recording begins, everyone in the meeting will receive a notification. You can continue presenting, sharing your screen, and participating normally while the meeting is being recorded. When the meeting is finished, open the More Options menu again and choose Stop Recording. The recording will also stop automatically when the meeting ends. After processing is complete, the recording is typically saved to the meeting organizer's cloud storage, and a link may be shared through email or the meeting calendar event, depending on your organization's settings. And that's how to record a Google Meet as a host or participant in 2026. As long as recording is available for your account and you have the necessary permission, saving important meetings is quick and straightforward. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.